Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install, set up, and play Roblox on your Meta Quest headset. Whether you're using a Meta Quest 2, Meta Quest 3, Meta Quest 3S, or Meta Quest Pro, this guide will help you get started in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Check your requirements. Before installing Roblox, make sure you have a Meta Quest headset, a stable Wi-Fi connection, a Roblox account, enough free storage space on your headset. Step 2. Open the Meta Horizon store. Put on your Meta Quest headset and navigate to the apps menu. Open the Meta Horizon store and use the search bar at the top. Type Roblox and select the official Roblox application from the search results. Step 3. Install Roblox. Click the Get or Install button. The download should begin immediately. Wait for the installation process to finish. The download time will depend on your internet speed. Once installed, you'll find Roblox in your apps library. Step 4. Launch Roblox. Open the Roblox app from your apps library. The first time you launch the app, you'll be asked to sign in. Enter your Roblox username and password. After signing in successfully, you'll gain access to the Roblox home screen. Step 5. Browse VR-compatible experiences. Not every Roblox experience is designed for VR. For the best experience, look for games that support virtual reality controls. Popular VR-friendly Roblox experiences often include VR Hands, VR Islands, Opposer VR, Cook Burgers VR, various roleplay and adventure experiences. Conclusion: and that's how to play Roblox on Meta Quest devices. Installing Roblox is quick and easy, and once you're set up, you'll be able to enjoy thousands of unique experiences in virtual reality. If this guide helped you, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Meta Quest tips, Roblox tutorials, and VR gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.